Did you know that over 70% of non native English speakers find listening to be their biggest hurdle? Join me on a 30-day challenge to supercharge your English listening skills and unlock confident communication. Hey there! Welcome to my 30-day journey to boost English listening skills. Whether you're learning for work, travel, or fun, mastering listening is key to understanding and connecting in English. Listening to English can feel overwhelming. Native speakers talk fast, accents vary, and slang or idioms pop up unexpectedly. Many learners struggle to catch every word, especially in noisy environments or during casual conversations. Background noise, unclear pronunciation, or even cultural references can make it tough to keep up. I've been there, feeling lost in a sea of words, wondering if I'll ever understand effortlessly. But here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges in just 30 days. So, how do we tackle this? First, immerse yourself in English audio daily. Start with podcasts like The English We Speak for bite-sized lessons. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles, then gradually turn them off to train your ear. Practice active listening. Focus on keywords, not every single one, and predict what comes next. Try shadowing. Repeat what you hear in real time to mimic rhythm and intonation. Apps like BBC Learning English or Audible are great for structured practice. And don't forget to mix it up. Listen to different accents, from British to Australian, to build flexibility. Let me share a story. A friend of mine, Maria, struggled with English podcasts for months. She could barely follow fast conversations. Then she committed to 30 days of active listening, 15 minutes of podcasts daily, repeating tricky sections, and mimicking speakers. By day 20, she was catching jokes and slang she'd missed before. By day 30, she confidently joined a group discussion with native speakers. Her secret? Consistent practice and focusing on progress, not perfection. That's the power of these strategies. You can do this too. To wrap up, improving your English listening skills takes daily practice, smart strategies, and patience. From podcasts to shadowing, these tools will help you understand English better in just 30 days. Stick with it and you'll be amazed at your progress. What's your biggest listening challenge? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And if you're ready for more, check out my video on top language learning tips linked in the description. Subscribe and join the 30-day challenge. Let's do this together.